Welcome to the Dava HQ. Guys, what's up? I'm Vale. I'm here with
Steven.
Guys, we're here at the Dava HQ. We did one of these tour videos like 2-3 years ago at our old office, and we've since moved into this new office, and we want to give you guys a bit of an office tour. Hope you guys are excited for this. So, Steven, why don't you start us off? Where are we at right now?
Right now, we are in the main entrance. Now we've created this suit that when you walk in, you're automatically inspired on what to do. So the first thing you can see when you walk in is this wall right here. As you see, let's create. Now this may look like just some random pictures, but it's not. These are all thumbnails that our team has created. Now you may recognize some of the names up there or the faces. You may see people you recognize and watch, like Tom Segura here. You know, I don't know who this guy is. I think he does something like boxing. I think his name's Jake.
So basically just a lot of thumbnails. It's kind of like our thumbnail wall here. You know, you got Nate Shy, you got Carl, you have Red Bull, Unspeakable. I was like, what's his name again?
I couldn't speak it, it was unspeakable. Awesome.
Yeah.
Then over here, just to keep you more entertained, we get these TVs going, just showing some of this cool stuff. You may recognize Dr. Phil. Well, that's not Dr. Phil, but
Yeah,
that's Dr. Phil.
That's Dr. Phil. There we go.
Now you may recognize the guy that is on this. Oh,
There we go. Oh, who?
Oh, there's
no, he's gone. Maybe.
I went on the show a little while ago, so that was cool. We put it up there.
We have a bunch of like videos displaying, which is fun.
So yeah, you get to see all the cool stuff. I'll give some videos and things.
Uh-huh.
Of course, you have the main entrance. Then you walk down the hall. You get
Some more creators here. This is where our team comes in. Oh,
By the way, guys, we're here before anybody's here. We're not actually open yet, so the team's gonna be here in about like 30 minutes. So we wanted to do this video before everybody was here.
Yeah, so normally it's going to be a lot more people in here than there are right now. It's just us right now because we're special and coming early.
Yeah. Because if you're on time, you're already late, right?
cool. Look, yeah, this is the wall we did. It's kind of like our accent wall here. It was pretty fun to do. So now,
we're into the main room.
this is like
The hub of the office.
Yeah, this is where the magic happens.
Exactly.
Obviously, you got this cool lounge area.
Yeah, we got like some games that we put here, lounge. This is really cool.
Why don't you hop in there for a sec and show us what it really does?
Yeah. Can you guys hear him?
That's because
Oh, now when you open the door, you can hear me.
exactly.
This helps it. So for people who want to take calls, you can take it in there. Just keep it quiet. Or if you just want to shut the world out, go in there, relax for a second.
Exactly. It's actually a really cool room to like hop in when you have a call or we're talking to some of our creators or whatever it is. It's cool to just pop in there.
Yeah, this is kind of like the little lounge area that we built out for.
The team who's out here. The office is kind of divided into two sections, but a little ping pong table. And then this.
This is where our editors, graphic designers, YouTube managers, they all sit out here.
Yep.
So if you came in when everybody's here, you'd see tons of videos being edited. You would see graphic design over here, like
See a
watching
bunch
these
of
guys.
yeah, like literally, like it's really cool when everybody's here because it's cool to just see all the magic be happening, right?
So our team that works in office, this is where they sit, right? So we have two teams. We have a remote team and then people work in office. So if you're in office, you're in here, right? And it's kind of broken up by like our video editors, our designers, our managers, right? This is where the actual floor manager sits right here.
Sometimes if you come in after hours, you'll see certain people playing Fortnite on these computers.
I wouldn't know who he's talking about. Might be me. All right, so this is what we call our studio. And now we're gonna go over to more of the growth / marketing side of the office, right? So this is our, I don't know what to call it. I don't know, but
We'll call it our inspiration room.
okay, there we go. This is our inspiration room, right? So we have a fun little lounge here. I actually designed a lot of this myself. I'm kind of proud about this. Want it to feel cozy, want it to feel bright at the same time and inspiring. So it's changed up a bit throughout, the last year, but have a cool lounge here, another arcade machine over there, got an open PC here, and then we do have part of our talent team that works here. So if we're managing your brand deals or if you're working with one of our brand managers to kind of help you with your YouTube career, a few of them are sitting here, right? Cool little place. We have a break room over there. I don't know how much you guys care about that, but this is where we eat food.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Of course, don't forget our cool.
Oh, you're
Can't
right,
forget
you're right.
this.
This has been our motto since day one, I
Yeah.
want to say. Like you can see in the first office we had this, second office we had this, and now it's here. So really cool. Here, I'm not actually done with this yet, but what I want to do is where you can plug in your laptop and you can transform your small laptop into a big screen. That'll be done here in a bit, hopefully. Cool little LED sign, create now, because we always create, right?
Yeah.
This room's always a bit messy because we kind of use this for storage a little bit. But this is our marketing room, our team that works here in-house. So again, we kind of split this into 2 parts of remote and in-house, but big whiteboard, 2 desks, got a small little meeting room or meeting table. And then this is like all the storage here. So got a bunch of lights out, cameras. If you're ever gonna rob us, this is probably the place you want to be, besides out there.
Please don't rob us.
But out there. Oh, look at who we have here. This is Javier.
Oh, Javi.
Guys, if you're a creator watching this video, you probably already talked to Javier. So we've caught him fresh in the morning.
For looking closely.
Sorry. All right. So now we're gonna step over into the last couple rooms. We're gonna start back here, then we're gonna move our way back up.
All right. Oh, wait. Look at this. We got some of our clients there. So that's 100 Thieves. You might not recognize them. Cool little thing. We spoke in front of a big audience. There's the reference to
Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil. There we go. After the show. That's a billboard we had up in Times Square. And yeah.
This is our sales room. Again, a little crazy, a little messy. We just kind of take a chill in here. This is where we talk to our clients. This is where we try and get their editing done, grow their channels, and just get people on to help them to take things to where they want and reach their goals. That's what we do in here. As again, we got Javi here trying to hide in the corner.
I don't know where to go.
All right. And of course, we go over here across the hall. You'll see we got a big conference room with a table that we've squeezed in here somehow.
Yeah. It's a little too big for this room because, like, look, he's trying to walk through the sides and
Got it.
It's a bit tight.
Gotta squeeze through here. I don't even know if I can make it behind this one.
yeah, there we go. Yeah, so we got to get a smaller table for this room, but
It's always a work in progress. You know, we're growing every day, just like you guys are. Just always trying to build and improve what we're doing. But, you know, we always got some classics as well. Again, more of our creators.
oh, hold on, wait a second.
Wait, what's this? Is that me?
Is that you?
No, it is not. I would never claim to be as awesome as Tom Segura. He is amazing.
There we go. Got some cool pictures here too that we did with the team. Some of the kicks. That was fun to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last room, but definitely least room, is the executive office. And you guys may know this guy here, Damien.
It's also super early, so he's probably like, why the heck are you guys filming me right now?
Exactly. Damien is our creative director. He is the one that is responsible for how amazing our thumbnails come out.
Correct. Yes.
Also,
Absolutely.
if you're seeing this before VidCon, he's going to be speaking at VidCon, so come see him.
Yes, absolutely. How do you feel about speaking of VidCon, by the way?
I'm nervous, but we're getting there. Got a presentation set up, and I'll just be talking about what I know, all the experiences I've gained.
He's super humble. He is amazing when it comes to his designs. He's designed pretty much all the graphics you see around the office.
Yes.
It comes from that guy. So this is where the guy who was on Dr. Phil sits.
Yeah.
That's so you can probably tell this room got like the last of the decoration stuff. Like,
This one's the last one to be styled.
yeah, we're just so focused on like making everything else good that we kind of forgot about our own office. So we're gonna be probably making this look better soon. I don't know.
Our goal is to make everyone that comes in feel the most comfortable and most excited. The rest of us, especially the executive team that are not as worried about how cool they look, because we want you guys to see how cool everything else is, because that's what really matters,
Yeah.
is what everyone else is doing, not what we're doing in this room.
Exactly. So
That's like a bit of our office. This is where we spend most of our time, whether we're working with creators or we're just meeting together. We're trying to figure out kind of what we, are wanting to do in the
Whatever's
next.
next.
Yeah, whatever's next.
look at this. We were actually featured on Inc. magazine.
If I can find the page.
Yeah, let's see. There we
we
go.
go.
So Dava was actually ranked number 14 on the Inc.
Yeah.
original list. So got a cool.
Hold it up so that you can make sure we know who we are.
Yep. So where are we? Right there. Right there. Cool little thing. You'll find small things like this around the office, right? Like right here, this is when we got invited out to the Mayweather and Paul fight. I brought home a little gift. Kind of a little bit of our mission statement there.
Yep.
But
Sorry, our mission statement, just to help creators share their extraordinary story.
Exactly.
That's what we're about, as the creators.
Exactly. Guys, yeah, thanks so much for watching. This is our office. This is where we spend most of our time. If you're interested in working with the team, we'll leave a link in the description to hop on a call with someone from our team. Maybe it's Javier. Maybe you're lucky to hop on with Javier. Maybe you hop on with Steven
Maybe
here.
Steven.
If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Let us know what you want to see. We're here all the time, and there's always a lot of fun stuff happening. So
You're gonna see a lot more coming from us, so might as well tell us what you want to see.
exactly. So guys, we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Make sure to like the video, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.